This is a demonstration of the TD Ameritrade interface to AdvisorVault, where clients can see their account reports and transactions in AdvisorVault. This is a marketing website for an advisor. The client would come here and click on AdvisorVault, and that would take them to the vault. The client logs into AdvisorVault to view the TD Ameritrade reports, clicks on Portfolio Reports, and the first report they're going to see is an account holdings report. Here is a list of the accounts that they currently have in TD Ameritrade. And by clicking on one of the reports, we can see the account holdings, the securities that are held in that account, mutual funds, some ETFs in this particular account. By clicking on the symbol, they can get some additional data about that particular security. Additionally, the client can see transactions for each account in this tab. First, select the client. There's a pull down here to select the client, set the date range. Currently, we have data for 2010. And these are the transactions for that particular account. We can pick a different account, search for those transactions, and display these. In order to administer this, the advisor logs in, and there's a TD Ameritrade button here on the left navigation. Clicks on that, and that takes them to the administrative interface for the TD Ameritrade connection. The first thing that would normally be done is go to the Settings tab and enter the credentials, the advisor credentials, so that the connection to TD Ameritrade could be set up. It's already done here. Next step would be to map the accounts in TD Ameritrade to AdvisorVault clients that have been set up. You can see we have a couple here already set up. We'll add another one down here. Person here. Map that. And that creates the connection between the account in TD Ameritrade and the AdvisorVault, so that when that client logs in, Demo 5 Vault client logs in, they will see this account included in the reports. The advisor has the ability to take a look at the reports that the client can see. There's the account holdings here and the transactions here. We'll take a look at account holdings. Let's look for our client. Search. And we'll see the accounts that have been associated with this particular client. So there's a concept of householding here, so that one client can see multiple accounts. And here's the new account that we just added. We can take a look at the holdings like we did with the client. And we're just waiting for TD Ameritrade to respond with the data for us. And there are the holdings. We can also look at the transactions as well. Search for that same client. Set the date range for that we want the transactions for. Here we see the accounts that are associated with that client again. And now we can look at the transactions for one of the accounts, perhaps. And down here we see the transactions for the past year for this particular vault client.